Welcome to our backyard. My name is Dolores Hagen. We wander around the Minnesota River Valley with a video camera, hoping to capture images of birds in their natural environment and to help track the happenings as the seasons change and the birds return to their breeding grounds for another year. On these late March days and on the 1st of April, we found very little open water for the many Canada geese and ducks coming in. Whatever open water there was, well, it was a sure thing the surface and the air above would be crowded. Redheads and canvasbacks, buffleheads, common mergansers, hooded mergansers, wood ducks, and so many others were out there, swimming around slowly and leisurely, others in a big hurry to get somewhere. We tried to be careful to stay behind the reeds so we didn't intrude on their fun, but such a position can obscure the view for the camera, so we apologize for the quality of some of this video. Shooting through out-of-focus limbs can really cloud the intended subject. Lots of Canada geese everywhere. As these swim around in the cold waters of this pond, it's located along the scenic byway. You can see the snow-covered shore. But at least it's open water, when just a few days ago they would have had to have been skating around on the ice, as many did in our last video update. Among the ducks sighted along the river and in the open ponds have been mallards, grebes, crackling geese, and a host of other water birds such as herons and gulls. Shorebirds such as killdeer are here too, as the migration back to the Minnesota River Valley is in full swing. We went back to check out the owl's nest and found it covered in fresh snow from that March 31st snowstorm, and empty. We set up the camera and didn't have to wait too long before the owl returned. The long lens I'm using requires manual focus, and as I move in for a close-up, of course there's a lot of camera shake, and I miss a clean shot of her takeoff. She's gone again. The wait for her return is considerably longer than this edited version shown here, but here she is again, and just as quickly, gone again. We could hear the chicks oh so softly, not loud enough for the camera to pick up, but loud enough for her to hear them. I'm almost sure it's why she kept coming back, to check on the kids during that hour or so that we were at the nest. This time when she returns, she seems ready to settle down with the kids, tending to them, looking around in all directions, making sure everything is secure.